My name is Dominique Rizzo and I am chef and owner of Putia Pure Food Kitchen and I'm also partner in Clapham Junction Wine Bar. So I am involved in Beef Australia as one of the celebrity chefs. So I'm partaking in one of the lunches and dinners, cooking with Jack Stein. It's very exciting. I have got a couple of delicious dishes, which actually I'm showcasing for my lunch. So stemming my inspiration from my Italian heritage and doing a beautiful veal carpaccio, I kind of thought what better way to showcase veal than to have it raw. And then also just a lovely Italian veal polpetti with some soft polenta and a lovely sort of nonna sauce. So they're the two dishes that I'm going to demonstrate as well. I just thought they'd be they're nice dishes that people can really easily replicate at home. So you're actually eating the dish and then you can actually see how it's made. So I thought that'd be a really nice link in to do the same dishes. I love Australian beef and I think that it is the greatest beef on earth. It's the only beef that I use. I'm very passionate about promoting Australian products and supporting Australian beef and Australian farmers. We have, I believe, the cleanest pastures. I love it that my beef is always consistent. I get to meet the producers, so I know exactly where the beef is coming from. It's traceable, the properties and the quality, taste, for me is what's really important. So I'm very, very proud to be standing behind Australian beef. So for all my delicious recipes and all of the recipes from the great chefs attending, you can find the recipes on australianbeef.com.au.